Hi, I'm Damon from Joie. I'm going to show you a couple of the tips and techniques when using the Joie Elevate in the Group 1 stage with the internal harness system. So first of all, the product has got a no rethread harness system. So at the back here we'll see that we can easily adjust the harness and headrest system as the child gradually grows. So very easy to adjust that as the child is in the growing stages. Easy adjust harness system, so we've got a press button at the front to lengthen the harness, and we want to pull forwards and downwards below the pads to lengthen that. Of course, that will enable us to be able to get the child out easily. And if we get into this sort of routine before we unbuckle the child, it ensures as we're loading the child in, we reduce the chance of getting the harness twisted, and also then ensures that depending on what the clothing changes are between them getting out and in, we can adjust the harness specifically to the clothing they're wearing ready for that journey. 2 fingers at the top of the shoulder and a little wiggle is what we're looking for. We can make a loop, it's too loose. We do need to further tighten the actual harness system. But installing the product, really easy on this unit, but there is a little routine that is best employed. So first of all, pull the tongue to the top of the roof of the car. We can just pass that straight through the back. So really quick and easy to get the seat installed into the car. So just straight through and engage it into the vehicle buckle. Now the biggest tip here is our belt lock-off device and its positioning will mean we're best to locate it first. So before we try and get any tension on, locate it into the red lock-off device up at the top. Once we've done that, undo the child's harness system, because we're going to want to use our body weight to help get this nice and tight in the car. So I'm going to kneel on the seat to compress the cushion and pull all the slack out of here. So just turn the seat back this way. As we place the weight onto the seat itself, I'm starting to compress the vehicle's cushioning. We'll start off by pulling the diagonal seat belt close to the buckle. So we'll give the seat a really good pull while we're pulling on that, and then simply transfer the slack from our left hand through to the right hand. So we're going to move that from this side over to the diagonal belt. All the time I've got the vehicle seat compressed by using the body weight, and as we've fed that slack through, that's locked off automatically through the belt lock-off device. As we take the body weight off, that now ensures that we've got the seat installed nice and tight and can be found and checked by checking the seat belt down at the bottom there. So once installed, we can get the seat in really securely, and on a daily basis as we're loading the child into the vehicle seat, remember to check that it's still installed nice and tight. So give it a little flick. If you can make a noise down there, perfect. Play whatever tune you want, but so long as it's tight, you know the seat is still installed correctly. If somebody has accidentally undone the buckle on this side, everything still looks the same as you're loading the child in, but if you're into that routine of doing the flick check, you know something drastic has gone wrong before you set off on your journey. So very important to get into that routine of checking it's still tight before you set off. Thank you very much.